Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Paddock Card Scale Dreams. So got a few things I'd like to do here on this video. So a couple shout outs. Well, one shop card, and then the other one is a shout out for our friend Joel, Dave's card. And then I just want to show I'm removing the trim on the Bronco, and I kind of just want, I'm not going to go through that whole process. I just want to show how I'm prepping, and it's basically just masking tape, just prepping the surface around the trim, so I don't make any, ugly scars on the body that I have to fix. That could have been prevented. And so I'll show that. I'll just show the body and how that's going. So happy Friday to everybody. You Monday to Fridays. I know it's your weekend coming up. Today's my third day off, so I get Saturday. I'll probably miss model cars and coffee on Sunday unless I make a video Saturday night before I go to work. So that's why I missed the last one. I was at work. And, yeah, been busy the last little bit. The wife's starting a new job, too. So, yeah, we've been busy with our little one. So I haven't had much time to dedicate to the bench. But, hopefully today and maybe tomorrow I can get a little bit of work done before I go back to work. So I'll get this turned around real quick, and I'll do these shout outs. Okay, so we'll start with the shop card shout out. This goes out to Dave at Woody's Scale Model Garage. Dave, your card, I sent it out yesterday. Hopefully it gets there to you soon. Sorry for the delay on that one. Like I said, I've been busy, so I just got that one out yesterday. There was somebody, Larry, I got yours out yesterday as well. We did a swap, and apparently my card didn't make it to him. But sent you out another one, Larry, if you're watching. Okay, so Woody Scale Model Garage. We'll have a look at this card. So if you haven't seen Dave's channel, I'll leave a link in the description. Please go check him out. Great channel, awesome builder. So he's fairly new, obviously just last year, as you can see, 23, into coming into the YouTube community. Really cool card. Love the Woody. My daughter loves the Woody too. She loves the show, the movie, or whatever. I can't tell you how many times I've watched that. So Dave, I appreciate the words on the back. Same to you. Keep up the good work with your channel. I've been really enjoying your model cars and coffee. Showing some of your older builds, some really awesome stuff. And I think the most recent build of his on his channel is his 71 Mustang. The newer Revell version, green with gray striping. It's beautiful car. You definitely got to go check that out. So he also sent a sticker out and his card. So he does buy, sell, and trade. So that's really cool. That's, yeah, really cool. Appreciate that. Then our next shout out is for a Facebook group, the Auto Modeler Magazine. I was just going to post a picture, but I'll use my other phone. So the Auto Modeler Magazine group, official group, they got 800 and some odd members there. I just joined the other day, got an invite, and so I'm gonna, I think it was Jason at Blue Ox showed the magazine a little bit, so I'm gonna subscribe to that, and definitely want to get some of those magazines coming. I really miss the Scale Auto magazines, so this is something I really recommend for you guys to go check out, because if we don't support them, then there'll be no magazine, obviously, right? So let's show some support, and hopefully we can see this magazine around for a long time. So go check that out. As you can see, there it is. And yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to clean all this out of the way. I'm just going to show what I'm doing with the Bronco build. So I'm getting rid of all this trim. So if you see here, this is where the swing out spare tire goes. So the trim doesn't even go all the way back, which is kind of weird. That's what kind of prompted me in the first place to be like, well, where's the trim there? Like, anyways, so I'm just going to take this right off. So what I've done, obviously, as you can see, to protect the area around, because I don't want to be scarring this up and having to do more body work than I have to. So this is, let's get the light down a little bit. Doesn't want to seem to focus. So I just wanted to show how you would prep to remove trim. Right, so obviously all I've done is just taped it off, and there's a really nice body line here that I want to protect, and that's kind of what started the whole process. I was thinking about, maybe if I just wing it and go for it, then I know what happens later on. I'm like, I made a gash here, I made a gash there. And it's like, oh boy, why didn't I just tape it off like I should? So anyways, I did this part first, and I was like, no, you know what? Then I did kind of some of the more important stuff. Hinges and the door lock. And then I'm like, why am I just protecting that? It's just gonna... I'm just cutting corners, and then I'll end up having to do more work in the end. And I shouldn't say hate, but I don't like doing body work. So this is going to help. So if you've never removed trim before, I definitely recommend you tape off all the surrounding area so that you don't gouge anything up that you shouldn't, right? So I'm not going to go through this whole process. I just wanted to show you where I'm at with this. And if you've never done remove trim, then here's a little tip for you. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to get going on that today. Hopefully get that done. Get it all sanded nice and smooth. Still haven't really picked out a color for this thing. I've been looking online, looking at kind of like OEM colors. There's some really cool colors, but I don't know if I'm going to go a bit of a custom, because I have the trailer and and the sand dune buggy or whatever to build as well. So I'm gonna need lots of color, even though this is a small body. But anyways, so that's where I'm at with this one. I'm gonna get going on that. Just have that out. We're I can't remember what the guys are saying. I can't even remember now. Frizzo, we got you back, and prayers for those that need him. The other thing I wanted to mention was, of course, about the group build, the off-road group build. If you haven't entered, or maybe were thinking about but didn't know, there's still lots of time. The group builds from June 1st to December 31st, so there's still lots of time. Join in. If you get it done, you get it done. If you don't, you don't. No big deal. At least we're having fun building, right? So there's that. Here's the little announcement. And I want to also say to those who have entered the last little bit, I finally got around to searching around. And if there's anybody else that I haven't commented on your video, please let me know, because I'm adding all the updates and everything into a playlist, and anything I've seen so far is in that playlist on my channel. So if you want to go in there and check those out, you can do that as well. And so with that, I will say, yeah, have a great weekend, everybody, and play safe. And talk to you all soon. Pat out, model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.